and welcome back to Baby We Eats. Today we are making a Mexican beef and rice skillet. For our ingredients, we have olive oil, a large chopped onion, garlic cloves, ground beef, red pepper dice, yellow pepper dice, tomato paste, taco seasoning, salt and pepper. You need rice, beef broth, chunky style salsa, black beans, sweet corn, some cheese. First thing you want to do is heat your oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Here we're going to add our onions, and you want to cook your onions for about 2 minutes. And then we're going to add in our garlic. We're going to cook our garlic for another 2 minutes. Now here we're going to add in our ground beef. You want to cook your ground beef until it is browned. Once you have cooked your beef to your liking, now you're going to add in your peppers. Here I'm adding in my yellow peppers and then my orange peppers. And we're going to cook our peppers for about a minute. Here we're going to add in our tomato paste. So we're going to mix our tomato paste into our ground beef evenly. We're going to add our taco seasoning, which we made this at home. We have the recipe up above or down below. Now you're going to add in your salt and your pepper. Here we're going to add in our rice, and we're going to stir our rice in to mix it with our beef. And now we're going to add in our broth. Now you want to add in your salsa. Now we're going to add our black beans. You want to add your corn. And you want to stir everything well. Then we're going to cover the skillet with our lid and reduce the heat and gently cook for about 15 minutes or until your rice has cooked through. If it's a little bit too dry, you can add some more broth if necessary. We added some cheese on the top, and then I added the top back to my skillet to let my cheese melt. And I sprinkled it with some cilantro. We have made a Mexican beef and rice skillet. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eats, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.